Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to add links in our web page. Okay, the anchor tag is used for link and this anchor tag is denoted as a tag. Okay, the syntax of link is given on your screen. Okay, the href attributes is used to specify the destination address of the link, means where you want to go. Okay, then the test link is visible part of the link. Okay, there are two ways to adding links in web page. First one is external link, second one is internal link. The external link means navigate the visitor away from your site to another website in the internet, and an internal link means navigate the visitor to another page in your website. Okay, in this video we will cover first one, means external links. Okay, suppose I want to add my YouTube channel link in web page. Okay, so for link I will use anchor tag and there must be an ending tag. Okay, in opening tag there exists the href attribute and it means to reach the destination address. Then what is my destination address? My YouTube channel link is my destination address. Okay, then how we can write href equal to my YouTube channel link, http://youtube.com/c/youtube kida for everything, then const to test line, then test line is YouTube kida for everything, that visible part for link. Okay, then save as with extension .html, then click on save. Okay, here click on look, I got a link now. If you click on it, oh sorry, I'm forgot to connect internet. Wait. After connecting the internet, for better look I will use linebacker br tag, then save the file and refresh and click on link. It should go to my YouTube page. Okay, see you guys in next video.